If I had a choice, I'd rather pay Washington state estate tax over capital gains tax. Here's why. If you do the math, you're going to come out on top if you pay Washington state estate tax versus capital gains tax. What am I talking about? Well, if you give money away before you die, you are not going to pay Washington state estate tax on those gifts. However, the gifts are going to retain your original tax basis. When the person that you've given them to in the future sells, they're going to pay tax on the gain. Buy a house for 100, sell it for $1 million, you pay tax on the 900. Generally, don't beat me up here for these rules. You know what I'm talking about. If though you die and you had this house, it was worth 100, or you bought it for 100 and now it's worth $1 million. When the house transfers to the person you want it to go to, they get it with a tax basis of $1 million, which means they only pay capital gains tax on the overage. Why would I rather pay Washington state estate taxes versus capital gains taxes? The rates are lower. From 2 to 3 million is 10% versus 20% for capital gains. 3 to 4, 14%. So unless you get over 9.2 million, that's when the taxes sort of even out. You would rather pay capital gains tax than Washington state estate tax. You want to avoid them both, but that's the math. See ya.